Dude, this chop, man. Well, I wanted to catch this move to the downside here, but let's see if we can catch a continuation because it looks like it does want to break down. And if it does break down, I think we can go here. And that's where it's headed. What are the big candles on the right? That's the higher time frame candles. So I'm on the 1 minute, and on the right side, it's going to be showing me the 15 minute. But yeah, this morning I was gonna hop on all this and that, but uh, it just looked chopped as hell, bro. It did not look good, and now we're breaking out. So let's see if we catch a continuation. This morning, where was it? Yeah, this morning I was thinking longs like around here, but then I was like, you know what? Let me wait a little bit longer. Let me wait a little bit longer, and look, sure enough, we just chopped down. We attempted to push up. Now we're breaking down. So I think downside, the hourly, this candle just looks pretty bearish. The 4 hour, the 4 hour is red now. So I think downside. I think that's what I'm leaning towards too. Definitely. So let's see if we don't get cooked again, and then it goes in our way, in our favor. I mean. Because the way this looks, the way it's just going up and then back down and then all the way back up and then back down, I think we can enter a short, then it goes up, takes us out, and then comes back down. That's what it's looking like for sure. But I got like 15 to 30 minutes here, so let's see if we can catch something. Let's see if something sets up here. Damn, it's pushing. Yeah, it looks like we're going to that low. Oh, wait, this is gold. Sorry, I didn't have my glasses. Yeah, let me go get my glasses. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's looking heavy. It's looking heavy. Yo, my bad. I was actually muted on YouTube. Yo, what up? What up? What up? What up? Yo, what up, weakest? Yo, what up, L7? Okay, this is great. It's the 15 minute is creating the wick up. It's giving another retest of these levels here. So if it flips red, we can play that continuation there. That's actually, I know it's red like I just said, but that's actually not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to reach up here, give us a green candle, and then when it flips red there. Yo, what up? What up, Danny? I can hear you, classroom. L7, you're long because some institutional order at 25,500, but market is changing direction a lot. Yeah, man. This 25,500. Oh shit, man. You must have longed way up here then, huh? No, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. L7, you said you're long from what price? Oh, look at that, man. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I mean, well, if you jumped the gun on that, you banked on that, but I would not have been happy with the entry I would have taken. If I got in on that, I would not have been happy with the entry. We might not even reach that low. I don't know though, but This is exactly where we are wicking off of. But the hourly, man, it just looks so bad. I mean, maybe today just isn't a day to trade. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh, L7U long from 25,400. Damn, bro. We're reacting perfectly off the slow. The zone, I mean, that I just drew out. I don't know, man. To be honest, like, I mean, I was trying to catch a continuation from like up here. Now we're lower and we're just inching our way down. But then at the same time, on this hourly support, we can bounce off here. On the hour, you can see that's exactly where we're breaking off, giving a reaction. But I don't know, man. These candles are just too nasty. Yeah, L7. That's good, dude. MNQ. That's why they're beautiful. Yeah, it's not clean. This PA is not clean. Matter of fact, let me see RTY. Let's see that. Or YM. Yeah, man. It's just ranging. I mean, if we want to catch a trade, we could just play the range. But what if we play the range and then that's when it decides to break out? Shot. You no range play? What do you mean by that? No, you're good, man. I mean, I'm bearish. Don't get me wrong, though. I'm bearish. I mean, because the closures we're seeing on the higher time frames, I'm bearish because of that. But the thing is, like, we're about to get a new 4-hour candle. So I rely on the higher time frame candles. But the 4 hour, it's not. Even if I was still, you know, looking to go long, like I'm not long because of this is the 4 hour here. This doesn't say I'm a long. If anything, I'm looking to get more downside. But when I'm trying to look for an entry, there's just no clean entry for me. Just look at these candles on the 1 minute. I don't know if I'm missing something, but to me, that's unless I just short and I close my eyes, but just short this and then just close your eyes. This right here too is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Like, candle closes here, it opens up here, and then this candle closes up here, but it opens down here. Like, that's not clean price action. These gaps, these just weird ass opens and closes. Like, it's just not the ideal situation scenario that I want here. A quick 250 on NQ. Nice. But yeah, this looks bearish as hell to me. You can't hear me at all? I'm unmuted. Can everybody hear me? Or is it just RJ? CFix can hear me. But yeah, like I was saying on NQ, look at this. This is the 4-hour right now, and we're about to get a candle. So this is a big old rejection. So I think downside, the hour looks the same. The 5-minute, like down. Yeah, okay, but if we do go short, then let's see where we can target. I mean, we can target for this gap fill here on the 1 hour. Can you 15-minute? Let's see. I'm gonna play short. I'm just gonna play the continuation. We're moving down. We're moving down, so I'm gonna, I'm not trying to catch some sort of reversal here. So let's just play into it. Let's just hope that we're not the last sellers, and then it just completely flips and then just bounces to the moon. Okay, let's see what it does here. I'm thinking what I want to see here. Because I want to see this high get swept. Reject, and then we can play the entry there. But let's see, man. Let's see. Okay, if this closes below, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it if it does it. Yeah, it's funny. I was so close to just saying, dude, just fuck it. I'm just gonna enter, and then look at this bounce. Yeah, that would have been so. That would have gone straight to stop loss. But it ain't closed where I wanted to, so I didn't. I just stuck to that. That's crazy. Well, so far this hourly support is proving to be true. I mean, look at this. Look at that. That hourly support I marked out. Look at that, man. Look at that bounce off of it. And I might change my idea here, but again, it comes down to these closures. Typically, if you guys have been around me a while, you know that this is usually where I would take my entry if this closes above. 3 red candles, 1 strong green candle, vice versa, but in this case, bullish. You know, I'll take the entry at close, stop loss below this low. And on top of that, what's going to support that for me is this this hourly candle that's going to close inside the previous hour range. And then I'll take it, you know, play the continuation back up. But we also get a new 4-hour, which did not create a new low. And yeah, so we could possibly see a reversal now. Let's see. I mean, it always looks one way until it doesn't. I mean, it looked heavy as hell that it wanted to continue down, and look at this. Now it wants to come up. So let's see what we can catch. But yeah, W support zone right there. W support zone. It did not close below it, and then just decided to bounce. And Q went back to your favorite spot. Oh shit, that's where we are, huh? 2300. No, 25,300. I didn't realize that. That's funny. Yeah, man, look at that. Dude, yeah, look at this. What? So it was 15. 15 too. Okay. Okay, we're getting some volume in. Just gonna go for it. 1. And stop at the low right here. Yeah, just based off this push, I mean, worst case scenario, it just completely fails that it does go down. But damn, that'd be nuts. That'd be nuts. I mean, if it is a true range day to day, then we can just aim for the top the top of the range. All right, y'all. Yeah, that's gonna be the trade. Yeah, man, it's gonna be the trade. I gotta get going, and let's see how this plays out. But let's see it go back to the moon. But I'll catch you guys later. I gotta get going here. See you guys. All right, YouTube. Yeah, I gotta get going here. So let's see how this plays out. Is it gonna be a fake out or is it gonna bounce? But let's see. Let's see how it plays out. All right, man. L7. Yeah, you got a ways to go, man. All the way to 400, 100 points. Yeah, man. That'd be awesome for me too. But all right, y'all. Catch you guys later.